Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission, and I do put a big thank you out there to those of you who have already made a purchase. All right, looks like today we're working on number 241. If we look at this column here, we're just missing a 1. We look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 4, 8, and 8 here, so 2, 3, 4, 8 here, 2, 3, 4, and no help here, 2, 3, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. No help here. 1, 3, 4, 7. We've got a 1 here. 3, 4, 7. 1 and 7 here. So 3, 4. 7 here. So 1, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here. So 2, 7. 2 here. So 5, 6, 7. 5 here. So 2, 6, 7. 2 and 5 here. So 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 6, 7. Got the 3 here, so 1, 6, 7. Same here, 1, 6, 7. Got the 1 here, so 3, 6, 7. No help here, 1, 3, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 9. Got a 6 and 9 here. So 2, 4. 2 here. 4, 6, 9. 2 and 9 here. So 4, 6. And just the 9 here. So 2, 4, 6. This one's not starting off too well, is it, guys? Let's look at this row. We're missing 1, 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 and 6 here. So 3, 7. 7 here. So 1, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 5. Got the 1 here and the 4 here, so 3, 5. 5 here, so 1, 3, 4. So it looks like the only place our 5 can be is here. If we look at this column now, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so 7, 8. 7, 8 here. So 3, 6, 8 here, so 3, 6, 7, 6 here, 8 here, so 3, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so 4, 5, 7. 8 and 5 here. So 2, 4, 8. So it looks like the only place our 5 can be is here. And the only place our 7 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 7. When we do that, that means the only place our 8 can be is here. All right, if we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. We've got a 2 and a 9. So 3, 4, 6, 9. So 2, 3, 4, 6. So now if we look, our 9 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 3, 4, 6. And so if we look, our 8 has to be here. Then we can get rid of this 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. We've got the 2 here. 1, 3, 4, 7. Same here. 1, 3, 4, 7. Got the 1 here and the 7 here. So 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 7 here. So that means 1 and 8. And the 7 here. So 1, 2, 3, 8. All right. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got a 1, 5, 6 here. So 4, 7. 5 and 7 here. So 1, 4, 6. So it looks like the only place our 5 can be is here for that row. And the only place, nope, nope. All right, that 5 didn't seem to help us out anywhere. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Got 2 here, 7 here. So 3, 4, 9. 2 and 4 here. So 3, 7, 9. Looks like the only place our 2 can be is here. All right, if we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. Got 6 here and an 8 here, so 1, 4. 1 and 4 here, so 6, 8. That didn't help us too much. Wow, guys. Let's do some more looking here. So if we look back at this top row, this is the only place our 8 can be. For this row, the only place our 6 can be is here. That makes this our 3. So then we can get rid of this 3, this 3, this 3, this 3. Then that means the only place in this row our 3 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 3, this 3. Finish out this row here. We're missing 1, 3, 4, 7, 9. We've got the 9. So 1, 3, 4, 7. Up with this 2, we can get rid of this 2. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to see what we can get here. You're probably screaming at me through the camera with the answer. Looks like in this box, the only place our 9 can be is here. So we can get rid of that 9. That means the only place our 4 can be in this column is here. So we can get rid of this. Fill in this last square here. We're missing 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got the 7 here, 1 here. So 3, 6, 8, 9. And that helps us because this is the only place in this column our 9 can be. This is going to be a really long and boring video, guys. I am so sorry. It's like the only place in this box our 8 can be is here. That makes us our 1, 4, 6. So we can get rid of this 6, this 1, this 1. Also this 1, this 1. That 8. So that makes this our 3, 4, 2, 6, 1. So we can get rid of this 3, this 3. But I think we made a mistake. What are we missing for this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would make this an 8, but we've already got an 8 here. I kind of figured eventually we would fail that puzzle. That was super messy. So sorry, guys. Well, that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. If you saw where I made a mistake, please put a comment in down below. I'm sure there were many of them. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.